Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale immersion techniques with Babbel, full guide step by step clearly. To scale immersion techniques with Babbel, start by familiarizing yourself with the platform's features. Create an account and select your target language. Explore the various courses available to identify the ones that suit your learning goals. Set clear objectives for your immersion experience. Allocate a specific amount of time each day for practice. Incorporate Babbel's speech recognition feature to improve pronunciation. Utilize the interactive dialogues to practice real-life conversations. Engage with the vocabulary and grammar exercises to reinforce learning. Diversify your study materials by integrating related content outside of Babbel. Connect with language exchange partners or communities to enhance conversational skills. Incorporate the flashcard system to aid in memorization and quick recall. Use the Babbel app on the go to maintain consistent exposure to the language. Monitor your progress through Babbel's built-in tracking tools. Adjust your learning plan based on your progress and challenges encountered. Incorporate cultural resources to deepen your understanding of the language context. Encourage immersive experiences by listening to music or podcasts in your target language. Consider setting up daily language challenges for yourself to boost motivation. Evaluate your learning regularly to determine if you need to adjust your immersion techniques. Stay committed to your language goals by regularly revisiting and updating your study plan. With persistence and creativity, you can effectively scale immersion techniques using Babbel to achieve fluency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.